And delicious recipe. Dice 800 grams of meat, then add 1 tablespoon of mayo and mix well. The mayo will soften the meat. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, and sauté until they turn golden. You guys, this recipe is simply delicious, perfect for your lunch or dinner. Try it at home and write here what you think. We'd love to know. When the onion and garlic are sautéed, add the meat. Mix well until the meat changes color and starts to release water. Now season the meat with some mild paprika, salt, black pepper, and mix well. Or you can add your favorite spices. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. Mix well, then add 1 cup of water. Cover the pan with a lid and leave the meat to cook for 15 minutes. Then remove the lid and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and mix again. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. As a final touch, add 200 grams of cream cheese, turn the heat off, and mix well. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.